Replace the X45 mechanical printhead for all printheads. First, stop the machine, stop the voice prompt, and stop printing, then power off the machine. Exercise. Then, remove and pull out the ribbon cartridge. Disconnect the flat cable, then remove the printhead. Clean the guide rail. Install the new printhead. After installing the printhead, power on the machine. Start up and confirm.